car wash. I love car washes. Water. Oh, look at the window. There's a window. It's all soapy. Soapy, soapy. Can't see anything. Oh, look. It's the... it's the little thingies. I don't know what they're called. I love car washes. Wait, I can smell it. Do you smell that? Whoa. The back. Whoa. Whoa. Another spinny thingy. I can smell it. It's so loud. Whoa. That was so cool. Trying it off. All these lights. Is it like a conveyor belt under the vehicle?
That's why you put your car in neutral, so it can control it.
We're out of the car wash. Whoa. See, this is why I love car washes. If you like car washes, like the video and subscribe.